Hello, if you are wondering if there is a screen recorder on Motorola Edge 50 Pro, then the answer is yes. All we need to do is simply find it in the quick access. So let's swipe from the top to the bottom twice in order to find the whole quick access, and then we need to scroll through these buttons until we find the screen recorder, which should be, in my case it is over here, so yours should be somewhere here as well. So in order to start recording, we need to simply tap on the button. Then we'll see the information where we need to confirm that we want to start recording. So let's press start. Now we have the countdown and we have some tools that we can use while recording this video. So let's press on this arrow, and over here you can find, like I said, those additional tools. So over here we can tap on this pen in order to start drawing. We can also undo the action by pressing the arrow. We can also enable the microphone, we can enable the system sound, we can use both, or we can mute everything. And we also have the camera option, so over here we can enable the camera as well, like a small preview of the camera. We can pause the recording, and then we can also stop it by using the square. And that's it. Then once we are done with the recording, we can swipe from the top to the bottom in order to see the notifications, and over here we can see the information about the screen recording. And of course we can later on find it in Google Files app. And there we go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.